Yup. Okay, dito na tayo. Pasok tayo. Okay. Ito yung entrance. Okay. May bayad, no? Ito yung may bayad. Tapos, nakuha natin yung libre. Parang matatanaw ko yung gano'n, no? Meron dun, yung hindi ng Kastilyo. Punta tayo dun ngayon.
I have a digital and don't like it. So.
Yeah.
Okay, long button there.
Doon tayo ngayon pupunta. Doon sa Kastilyong yan. So, punta na tayo doon. Ayan. Ayan. Ganda, no? Ayan yung binabayaran dyan, eh. Kastilyo. Kaya ko natin picture. Ayan na siya. Kastilyo niya. Ayan, o. Ayan, o. May mga ano pa, o. Talagang museum na lang siya ngayon. No? Ganun siya kaluma na. Galing. Akitin natin yan. Pasok tayo dyan mamaya. Ayun, pero may CCTV camera na rin para siya. So, malakad tayo matulog na. Ito yung tour guide namin.
Look at the birdie. Look at the robin.
Oh yeah, look at
I've
him.
seen them for a while. David,
Yeah.
how are you?
Good. But still some
I'll stand here
take.
for a while, yeah.
Yeah.
But that's the way to the stone in the gate there, and that's the stone up high. Have you been here before?
No, my first time.
And where do you come from?
Philippines.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, welcome to Ireland.
Yeah.
Welcome to Blarney.
Ah.
Off you go up them steps. You're going to climb up
Yeah.
that way.
All right.
And
Thank you.
have fun, and I'll see you at 11:30.
All right. Thank you. So nasa loob tayo. Punta na tayo ng Kastilyo, no? Yung mga souvenir shop na lang sila. Okay. So ito yung kanina. Wow. So, ayun ang mga luma na, oh. Wow. Ayan. Mga lumang bato na talaga. So, this is below your feet. A 15-meter. Yung tawag nila. Okay.
They need you to open something?
She said you.
That's what she said. Go get that lady. You don't know anything about it. Okay. She's not the right lady.
Pero,
Thank you.
so, yung Kastilyo nila, ito. Yan. Parang dungeon lang, ah. Okay. So, akit tayo ngayon ng hagdan. Ayan sa labas.
Going up there? Is it a one-way street? Is it like all the way down?
Funny, the old bedroom is very dark. Where is the torture area?
Oh, you go a little further because I can't stand in there. Alright, here we go.
Kwarto niya lang to. Ayun, no? I imagine dati.
That's right.
Mga Kastilyo lang to, no? Sabi, iluman, no? From 13th century pa. Akit na tayo sa maliit na hagdan. Pero ito yung kanina, no? Ito yung simula doon kanina. Taas. Oh my God. Masyadong makipot yung daan niya. Oh, may daan pa dito, ah. Mamaya natin punta niya pagbaba. Ah, exit. Ito yung exit. Okay. Jessica Soho. Barney Stone. Isa to sa mga kilalang Kastilyo. Kastilyo sa Ireland. Ayun, ito mo yung daan kanina, no? Yun. Meron maliit na butas dito. Okay.
That's the bathroom on the left.
I'm thinking I'm not
Dito
used.
sa Sky Grove.
No thanks.
Alright, young lady's bedroom.
I don't have my purse and there's no paper. Dripping dry doesn't sound like that.
May dalawang oak po. Oh. Young lady's bedroom.
Well, it's still pretty small for ladies.
Sa labas kitang-kita mo yung mga kung may mga susugod na nanakop. Let's see. What's this one? Pasok tayo. Ano kaya dito? Oh my God. Pasok tayo. Ano meron dito? Oh my God. The family room. Okay. Ako palang nakatuklas na ito, ah. Doon sila. Yung pala yung pag-akit sa taas, no? Pero dito sa family room, yung isa ka lang. Okay. Ayun, kitang-kita. Pin-reserve nila to. Mula 13th to 15th century hanggang ngayon. Eh, talagang natural na kastilyo to. Imagine mo yung mga napapanood mo sa TV, yung may mga archer, may mga sundalo, diba? Galing. Historical. Okay? So, balik na tayo. So, this is the kitchen.
Burnt, thinks the whole castle was not at risk.
Okay, akit tayo dun sa pinakataas pa, no? Ito yung kitchen room, no?
Excuse me, I'm stick.
Masyadong maraming market, eh. Akit na tayo.
We're up here.
Kailangan makasingit tayo. Okay.
Thanks, dude.
Masyadong nagiging makipot na itong daan na to. Dito. Ayun, masyadong makipot na siya. Okay, ito na pala yung dulo. Ito na yung dulo ng hagdan. Oh. Oh, God. Ayan, nasa tuktok na tayo.
Yeah, right.
We're in the top?
First one.
We're in the top now?
Yeah, I would say so. A couple more steps here. They're outside anyway.
Where are the archers?
Yeah. They're all dead. The other guys were a good shot.
Yung kanya, lagyan natin.
Catapult up there.
Oh, it's too high. See? Simula ron, no?
Is there a different way down? Because I'm worrying myself sick. I'm never gonna get down. People coming up.
Don't worry about it. Did you meet anybody on the way down?
No.
Oh, yeah?
Ito talaga yung sa typical na Castillo, no?
Yep. Nice pasture field. Probably make hay there soon. Just tell yourself you're on an airplane looking out the window.
Parang ito yung mga pinapwesta ng mga archers.
Should be down there taking my picture.
I'm an Irish. Okay. Ayan. Asal nila. Oh my God. Taas na niya. Taas na niya. Kita mo sa
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Oh, that's down. That's straight down. There's like 2 bars there. Is that really big?
Guys, yung Castillo. Meron doon parang Castillo rin. Pero ito, lumang bahay lang ata.
Why make it?
Okay.
I don't know. You will.
Okay, so akyat tayo dito.
Big ones.
Taas.
So we have my jeans on for this.
Natakot. Masyado na mataas. Kalula. Oh, lula. Lula na ako. Oh, God. Masyadong mataas na. Inakit namin. Okay. Yan. Ang picture lang ang kukuha natin. Hindi makakita na maganda eh. So, ganda talaga yung Castillo. Yan. There it is. Nice to see. Bangiting home.
Can't get the lid off till 10 o'clock.
Yeah, ganda oh. What's happened to her?
You know, you probably look right at it and not know it. It says exit there.
Well, it stands up there somewhere.
Where?
Just get another one like that.
Ito na yung pinakamataas nila. Tingnan natin yung tuktok nila.
Oh, yeah. What goes up must come down.
Lean back, love. And hey,
Wait a minute.
I
Don't
know
go
it.
fast.
No, lean back very much. Raise the hands, hold the bars now. Hold the bars now.
Ho.
Head back, drift in.
Pinapahalik ako dun sa ano eh. Pinapahalik ako dun sa yung mga mag-asawang matatanda nagtuturo na. Sarap. Okay, so karating na tayo sa tuktok, no? Kita natin yung Blarney Castle. Okay. It's good memories. Okay. Thank you, Lord. Yeah. Okay. Ito yung parang sa mga ano. Wow, this is a nice view. See? Mas maganda rito, oh. Oh. Okay. Ayan, ito natin ang picture.
Are you on the ship? Working on the ship?
Yeah, I'm a musician.
You do what?
I'm a musician. I play at a band.
Oh,
I'm
you
with a
do?
trio. Yeah,
What's your name?
David.
David.
Yeah.
And what do you play?
The piano. Yeah.
Okay, because we met William yesterday.
William. Oh, so that's the other one. William, the solo one.
Oh,
Yeah.
no, but I think he plays the drums.
Oh, the drums.
Drums.
All right. All right. So this is the exit, ma'am. If you want, yeah.
Okay, this
That's-
is where we go down.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's the exit.
that's good.
Yeah.
Do you want Larry to take another picture?
No, 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 it's okay. Just. Oh,
Okay.
see, the small
Oh, in the
girl.
syndrome.
Yeah, you know the center?
Okay, and then the guy who sings in the center?
It's his boyfriend.
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness, that's neat. That's neat. It's your sister, though. So
Yeah,
how many contracts have you had?
we'll be living here until September.
Okay.
Yeah,
Are you going to do another?
yeah, and then come back 1 month vacation, then come back 3 weeks.
3
and then
weeks.
transfer to another ship. Yeah,
And your sister, too?
yeah.
In Royal
yeah,
Caribbean
always.
ship?
Yeah, in Royal
Yeah.
Caribbean. Just only in Royal Caribbean.
How many years have you been in Royal Caribbean?
The two of them, they work 5 years, but
5
me 2 years.
You just
Yeah.
started.
Yeah, I just start.
Are you from Philippines?
Yeah, we all came from Philippines.
Ah.
Yeah.
Manila.
Manila, family.
Okay.
Alright? Yeah, yun, pababa na tayo. Alright. Ito yung kanina pa yung galawa natin. Ito pala yung mga itsura nila. Oh.
Oh, please, 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 please.
Yeah.
Ano, mga poison plant, oh.
Ang ganda-ganda, mga poison pa lang.
Oo. Ang ganda kung ano eh, yung may mga ano sila na ano. Ang ganda pala na anak niya. Manang-manang.
Walang bulaklak nga lang, ano?
Marami na din Pilipino dun sa lugar niya, no?
Ah, sa Diego?
Oh, yeah, 90%.
Nag-ano kami dun minsan bago kami tumawid ng Europe, San Diego, California.
Sa galing kayo ng Los Angeles?
Oo. Hindi. Galing kami ng Florida.
Oh, Panama Canal? Ano gano'n?
Panama Canal. Oo. Bago kami umano doon.
Ano ba yung magandang schedule lang?
Matagal na kayo sa San Diego.
Tagal na. 27 pa?
Ito pala mga kuweba, oh. Pasok tayo dito, ang ganda. Yung bintana, oh. Parang yun sa mga dati talaga, yung may mga sumisili pa kung may paparating ng kalaban, eh. Yung mga archer pa dyan, eh.
Palilit lang ng mga butod nila.
Oo. Sisilip lang nila kung ano. Kunan ko muna sila video. Sorry. So it's okay. Mga Irish dogs.